go.
And away we go. All right, both alliances doing well to score some fuel in this autonomous period. Both Blue and Red Alliance. Human players are launching. It's a close match so far. Looks like Blue has the advantage, so you see their hub flickering, getting ready to transition over to the Red Alliance. Is now active. Fofo scoring a couple of quick shots right quick. Human players scoring. Got some defense playing over there by a 4-3-3-2. Now the blue hub is active. Human player throwing some fuel in. Orange Dynamite scoring a few rapid fire fuel real quick. Some defense by the Red Alliance there. Back to the Red Alliance hub being activated. Oh. All right, back to the blue side. Orange Dynamite scoring pretty quickly there. And getting ready to transition over to the Red Alliance hub. That's the whistle. Both hubs are now active. Here comes Orange Dynamite for Blue Alliance, trying to line up and score a few more fuel. A fountain of fuel, but none of them hit their target. And time. We do have on their top. Alliance winning that match. 45-11.